Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to yet another video. Today I'll show you what are the veggies are available in my small balcony. If you are really passionate in gardening, you can do it anywhere. So, this video will show you few veggies harvesting as well as how it was growing from the initial stage to the. If you guys have experience, any ideas and suggestions about gardening in balconies, especially the small area, please let me know. Thank you. These are cherry tomatoes. Few cherry tomatoes. I got it from my balcony garden. I got nearly 2 kg, 2.5 kg tomatoes. These are for next week harvest. Along with this, few others are there. These are bell peppers. Bell pepper, planted all. I tried beans, Chinese orange, some variety of eggplants, but nothing. See, these beans are also gone. And not even a single seed came in this mandarin orange or the Chinese orange. These are cleanthros or coriander leaves. These straight leaves are for shallot leaves, like onions. After a week, the bell peppers are like this. Some leafy vegetables like palak. The smaller one became very big later. These two as well. And I've planted one pomegranate, not one, 3 pomegranate plants, trees. It's like bonsai now, but these flowers are falling down whenever it's flowering, it's going in a week, it's falling down. I don't know the reason. See, all these are beautiful. It looks nice, but maybe because of the balcony, I don't know the reason. Direct sunlight is getting 50%. Oh, here the first one. The first one, here it is, and the second one, here it is. There are another 2 also grown on top of the front side. So those are became very small. See, these 2. And that one leaf was covering the baby bell peppers. I don't know why. Maybe for helping them to grow. And I tried to make it normal, that leaf. See, that leaf is from bottom and covering those tools all at once. See, I was trying to make it normal. Maybe these are the way nature is helping the babies to grow. And now it became very big as I took a week before. Plant became older and started the small mealy bugs started coming. But for a salad, of course, yes, we have some more. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another interesting video. Take care. Bye bye.